Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello, welcome to my channel. So for this week's nail tutorial, I have a very fun one for you guys and a quick and easy one that anybody can do whenever they want to. So before I get started and you continue watching, go down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and go ahead and give this YouTube video a like and share this video as well, and just sit back and relax and keep on watching. Let's get started with this video. So you guys, this week I'm going to do this nice cool green purple leopard or cheetah print, whatever you want to call it, design for you guys today, and I think it's going to turn out pretty cool what I have thought about. So to begin this nail tutorial, go and prep your nails how you want them and put your favorite base coat of your choice down. Once you do that, we're going to begin with applying a base color for everything. So on your middle finger, wedding finger, and thumb, we're going to apply 2 coats of a light green on to your nails, the full nail. And then on the index finger and pinky finger, we are going to apply a nice metallic purple that I love so much, and I'm going to do that in a French tip style on those 2 fingers. So apply the purple only at the tip, and apply 2 coats of that as well. Next, we're gonna on the wedding finger, middle finger, and thumb, we're gonna make these fingers even more better, which I'm going to apply a nice packed green glitter that has green and gold flecks into it. So yeah, apply 2 coats of that glitter on those 3 nails. Okay, so you're going to want those nails to really dry and start getting dry, so you can going to put something on top, the leopard cheetah print on top. So we're going to leave those 3 nails alone. So I'm going to work on the index finger and pinky. So we're going to do this design on top of the purple. So we're going to apply a coat of white in that design so the green can really show up. So once you have that design in white on those nails, you might need 1 or 2 coats, but 1 should be good enough. And so we're going to let that white coat on those 2 nails really dry, because you don't want to smear the white and green together. So you want to apply those on too quickly. So we're just going to leave those alone and jump right back to the middle finger, wedding finger, and thumb. So on these, we're going to apply the leopard and cheetah print. So we're going to take that nice metallic, warmy, lovely purple. And we're just going to, with a dyeing tool, we're just going to make non-uniform, non-circular dots on each nail. And less is more in this case, so don't just pack it all in with purple dots. But around the nail, thoughtfully, I should say, apply some juicy non-circular circles. Once you have done that, to make the cheetah print even come alive, you're going to use a black, you can use a black nail polish, or even, like I did, use a black acrylic paint, and around each purple non-circular circle, we're going to draw a U or a C or 2 C's. Just make that print around each circle. And then you also want to add other little shapes and dots in between each little leopard's purple circle to really make that leopard print seem like a leopard cheetah print. Your nail will actually come alive. It will. So that's done. Now we're gonna jump back to the last 2 nails, which is index finger and pinky, and really fill this in. So I like the green glitter look, so we're gonna bring that green glitter back to focus, and so we're gonna apply that light green color first, like at the beginning, and you might want to apply 1 or 2 coats. Depends. And then you're going to apply that green glitter back on top, 1 or 2 coats, depends on what you feel like. Fill that wonderful shape in on both the index finger and pinky with the light green, then the green gold glitter back on top of that, and yeah. Bring the black into these nails, we're just going to line up these shapes so it will disappear any imperfections that you did. So apply the black, just a nice smooth straight line to hide those imperfections of anything that you did with the shape. Okay, so once you did that, you are nearly to the finish line. You're nearly to the finish line to being done with this nail tutorial. So all you have to do, apply your top coat. So apply whatever top coat that you want, but I have the Pro Effects High Gloss Quick Drying Top Coat, which I love. So put that on and seal your wonderful design that you just did, and yeah, seal that in. Once you seal that in, your nails are set and ready to go. So I hope you really like this one. So you guys, what do you think about this cool green purple nail design for you guys this week? Leave your comments down below what you thought. I really appreciate everything that you do. And so if you haven't done this before you watch this video, don't worry, you can still do it. Go down below and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and also give this YouTube video a like and share this video, please. Thank you so much. Until next time, until next nail video, bye.